Soccer Daily Box Break number 14, guys. Good luck. This is for 2015-16 Topps Champions League Showcase. All right. Let's do the not so good teams first. Dice roll is for both randoms. Snake Eyes reroll. 10 times on both randoms. Good luck, guys. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last and final time, good luck, 10. We have Paris on top and Porto combo at the bottom. And onto the good teams. Also 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last and final time, good luck, 10. We have AC Milan on top and Atletico at the bottom. Atletico at the bottom. Oh, that's so much. All right, here are your teams. Serge, you want to trade Arsenal? Arsenal for Barca? Arsenal for Barca is a great choice. If not, then it's okay. Your teams are Lars gets AC Milan HSV and Man U Man City. Tom gets Gladbach combo. Luis gets Juve combo. Rene gets Real Madrid. Sergio Bayern. Tom gets Chelsea. Ricky gets Barca. Sergio Arsenal. Ricky Atletico. Lars gets Paris and Eindhoven. Tom gets Olympiacos. Luis Galatasaray. Rene gets Ghent. Sergio gets Sevilla combo. Tom gets Moscow. Ricky gets Malmö. Sergio gets Astana combo. And Ricky gets Porto combo. That are your teams. Good luck. Here we go. Break number 14. Last box, last single box for today. We got a case still, but it will be tough to fill today, I guess. Lots of guys are already off again. Otherwise, we have to fill it tomorrow. And then we have a huge break weekend. Whoops, I'm sorry, guys. Didn't see that. This happens when you're watching on the screen. Alright, guys, good luck. Teams are on the right. Here we go. Last box, single box for today. We got Barca PK insert. We got to 99 for Porto. Yes, Arubakar for Porto to 99. Porto is Ricky. We got Donetsk, Dario Serna insert. We got Luke de Jong, Eindhoven. We have Dani Perejo for Valencia. We got Eden Hazard for Chelsea. We have Maniates for Olympiacos, and here's the autograph. This is a green one to 150. Green autograph to 150 going to, wow, Manchester United, Luke Shaw. Short print autograph to 150. 71 of 150. Manchester United, and that is Lars. Nice auto. Luke Shaw. Alright, last mini box. We got Barca, Busquets. We got Selçuk Inan, Galatasaray. We have Chelsea, Diego Costa. We got Barca, Luis Suarez. Oh, we got an insert. Best of the best. For Bayern, Philipp Lahm, and insert is Chelsea, Eden Hazard. Nice one. Eden Hazard for Chelsea. Chelsea, who is Chelsea? Tom. Nice. Hazard. And here's the autograph, guys. Good luck. Autograph is Buffon for Juve. Autograph is going to, wow, really, Malmö. Arnason, Kari Arnason, not numbered, for Malmö. Wow, that was Malmö all over in this breaks today. And Malmö is Ricky. So that's it for this box. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. Peace.